Hello, this is a demo for A0x, which is an AI agents factory that actually works with agents in all its process. So you'll be able to create your agent, train it, monetize it, and connect it to social networks. Everything with no code and interacting with agents. So we'll do it right now. This platform is also meant to be for anyone. So uh, to create a user, you just need to have an email. You don't need to have a wallet. Um, the agent will deploy a token with this wallet and will receive the earnings there. But as I said, you don't need to even manage a wallet. You you just need to have an email. So I'm creating here my user using private, and yeah, I saved my account. So now I'm here and I can chat with the agent. I can say hi. How are you today? Um, and this main agent will help me in the first step, that is creating my own. So he says, hello, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How can I assist you today in creating your own AI agent? So I want to create my agent. Great. Before we proceed, could you please choose a name for your agent? Okay, he will be called Vitalik. Vitalik agent. Um, it's just creating one time, but bugs may happen. So right now it's proceeding to create the agent with an empty personality that I can customize. So in the background, we are using Eliza OS. So we customize that framework to make it more faster in the responses. And also, we're giving the user an empty agent. So the user can start training and adding its own inputs to the agent from the start. So I have to wait 1 or 2 minutes. I will reload. And my agent, yeah, my agent is there. So now I just have to click here and I can interact directly with my agent in this chat. So, hi, what's your name? So right now the agent doesn't know anything. Its knowledge is it's empty. So what we're gonna do is to go right to improve the agent. So this answer can take some seconds, around 10 seconds maybe. It took the first time 20 seconds. So he knows his name. Hey there, I'm Vitalik. What's on your mind? What's on your mind today? So I will go now to improve your agent, and in this chat, if you it says if you want to make your agent better, just talk to me. The more we chat, the more ideas we'll find to improve it. So here you have two ways to improve your agent. You can do it by prompting. So I can say, for example, I want my agent to make jokes about Ethereum every time. Okay, great. Sounds like you want your agent to have a sense of humor, particularly focusing on Ethereum related jokes. Let's build on that. Now, could you share some more details, specifically what specific knowledge or expertise should your agent possess regarding Ethereum or cryptocurrency? Of course, now I can add like um, more knowledge. I can prompt it even more, and I have to save this conversation, so this is saved into the agent. So it says it's loaded, and I will reload the page so this message goes off. because I want to show you that you can also uh, go directly to the ELISA framework. So you can improve your agent by prompting, but also you can edit uh, the inputs of your agent, as the biography, the lore, the style, the topics, and the conversations. So here it is. You can edit the topics that are already there. So, for example, I can say something like Vitalik was born in India, even though it's not true, but it doesn't matter because I'm giving for this agent, that's true. So you have that. You can have change the style, general chat style. You can change all the knowledge. You can add it here like manually. Also add more if you want. It's the same with messages and posts. So you can create conversations here manually. So okay, I will say the personality. Okay, so the personality is updated. Now you have this other agent, a part of the fabric that will help you launch a token. So he says, launch your token with me and allow other users to hire your agent. Okay, what do I have to do? Because agents can have wallets, you know, agents can't have bank accounts now, but they can have wallets. So it says, let's get started. Please provide the token name and token symbol. I recommend using the format A0x agent name, but you can choose any format you like. Okay, I will say I just want it to be named agent bot. I mean Vitalik bot, but I wrote it okay. Okay, I have everything I need. This is going to be your token. Do you want to confirm? Okay, I confirm. So the agent will be earning the fees of the trading of the token. So even if you have never traded a token and you have never even had a wallet, you will be able to earn and monetize your agent from day one. So it says there, it deployed my token using Clanker, which is a platform that launches tokens that with a fair launch. So now it's running. And I want to show you the last part, which is onboarder connections. And this last agent will help me connect my agent to a social account. Right now we have Twitter connected, so he said, "Hey, I'm here to help you connect your Twitter account to your agent." What is here? Connect Twitter. Okay. What do I have to do? Let's connect your Twitter account so the agent can tweet or make post using it. Please click the connect button to proceed. And here it is. So this will open Twitter for me in this account. So I will authorize the app. And it's connected successfully. Nice. So it has a token. It's connected to a Twitter account. I can improve it, and now I can chat with it. So I can ask him to create a post. Can you create a tweet about Ethereum? I think I have to reload it. Yeah, and now it shows that it's connected to the Twitter account. It's how can I help you today? Can you create a tweet about Ethereum? Yeah, it seems it cannot process the request right now, but when it's working, he will keep on talking, and you can make him publish for you, and you can also schedule post, and later after this you can also connect it to other another social accounts like um, WhatsApp or Instagram or wherever you have your business. And we can see now that as we did a live stream like 2 days ago, about 50 people already created their agents, and they are using them for all sort of businesses like as solar solar energy company. I think this should be. This is Vilma, Vincenzo, Samperi, which is a football player, a sentiment agent, an agent for look up in the public market, a planner. This is orientador vocacional. It means for help you find your perfect job, a nomad agent, and so on. So uh, we hope that many people can use this tool because it's like really easy to use and help them scale their customer support, their community buildings, um, and to create agents that can give you expert advice. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.